Hello kids, today we are learning letter T. T का phonic T. T, T, tiger, tiger. T, T, tree, tree. T, T, tomato, tomato. T, T, tea, tea. T, T, table, table. T, T, tent, tent. T, T, teddy, teddy. T, T, turtle, turtle. T, T, teacher, teacher. T, T, truck, truck. T, T, train, train.